Alabama actually produces the most chickens in the state, not cotton. Alaska is actually a fifth of the landmass of the United States. Arizona has some of the hottest summer temperatures in the U.S. In Arkansas, you can find and keep diamonds. California has had the hottest temperature on planet Earth. Colorado is the most visited skiing place in the U.S. Connecticut was where the first sewing machine was made. Delaware is the first state, formed in 1787. Florida has the most sunny days in America. Georgia actually doesn't produce the most peaches, but actually the most peanuts. Hawaii has about 156 islands. Idaho has a gem found in 2 places, the other one being India. Illinois is slowly shrinking in population. Indiana has winners of the Indy 500 drink milk. Iowa produces the most corn in the United States. One time in Kansas, people thought that it was raining frogs. If you look closely, Kentucky looks like Kentucky Fried Chicken. Louisiana City, New Orleans, should be entirely underwater. There is a house in Maine that is stuck onto a cliff. Maryland's coast has a lot of crabs. Massachusetts actually has the second longest name for a state. Michigan actually has the most lighthouses, not Maine. Minnesota has more shoreline than Florida, Hawaii, and California combined. The Mississippi River doesn't actually start at Mississippi. Missouri is the state where I live in. Montana is where the Missouri River begins. In Nebraska, there is an area with stacked cars. Nevada seems large, but it's actually quite empty. New Hampshire contains an area with some of the worst weather. New Jersey has the fastest growing port in the U.S. New Mexico holds the world's largest hot air balloon every year. New York has the largest city in the United States. North Carolina was where the first plane was flown. North Dakota supplies the most wind energy in the United States. Ohio produces the most popcorn in the country. Oklahoma's capital is right above an oil well. Oregon's Crater Lake is the deepest lake in the United States. Pennsylvania is where the Constitution was born. Rhode Island actually has the longest name, known as Providence of Rhode Island. South Carolina has one of the most popular beach destinations. South Dakota is known as the pheasant capital of the world. Tennessee is home to the Smoky Mountain Range. Texas has around 150 tornadoes every year. There is a mine in Utah that produced more copper than any other mine in history. Vermont produces the most maple syrup in the U.S. Jamestown is the city of Virginia where Christopher Columbus first was. Washington has the record for the most Bigfoot sightings. Elvis was born in West Virginia. Wisconsin makes over 600 types of cheese. And finally, Wyoming has the least amount of population.